Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my new video. In this video, I wanted to show you how I get straight sleek hair like this. So I'm gonna take you step by step of how I achieve this. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. And guys, I did want to let you know that I do have thick frizzy hair, so they do tend to fluff up sometimes. I think that's a word. But yes, so I do have thick hair. So in the next few moments, I'm going to be showing the products I use to get rid of that frizz and just to make sure that my hair stays straight as well. One more thing, guys, make sure to check out my channel and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and make sure to check out my other videos as well as my Instagram page. Everything is in the description box below, so make sure to check everything out. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So I took a shower about half hour ago and my hair is still wet. I did want to show you what I've been using in the shower. So as for the shampoo and the conditioner, I've been using the Caviar Soothing Anti-Frizz shampoo and the conditioner. And I'm not very particular when it comes to shampoos and conditioners, but what I do prefer is something that is anti-frizz, because I do have very frizzy hair and they do get tangled up in the shower if I'm using like a rough shampoo or like a shampoo that has like very rough ingredients. But these has been really soothing for me. When it comes to shampoos, guys, I do believe that they vary from hair to hair. Everyone has different hair types and you have to use shampoo according to the type of hair that you have. So this is something that's been working on me. I have thick hair and I do have very frizzy hair, and this is supposed to help target the frizziness in the hair. So this is why I've been loving this shampoo, but again, they vary from person to person, but this is the one that I've been loving currently, guys. Okay, now we're gonna get started with the tutorial. I'm just gonna take off my towel, and they're still wet. Good, they're supposed to stay wet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush it a little. So guys, I'm gonna point out what I'm using next. So I'm using the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. So this is what I'm gonna apply. I don't apply a lot of it because I feel like my hair will get really very sticky within the next 2 days if I apply a lot of it. So I'll try to stick to like maybe this much the most, not more than this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the amount I'm gonna go ahead and apply, and I'm not gonna apply this to my roots, just from here to the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's move on to the next step. This is one of my favorite steps. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair, but I'm not actually doing it with the comb yet. I'm gonna dry my hair up to 70-80%. Once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna tell you what the next step is. So let's go ahead and do that. So as of now, my hair is up to 70% or 70-80% dry. So now I'm gonna use my blow dryer to actually do sections. So I'm gonna start from the very bottom right here, and then I'm gonna work my way to the top. And for sectioning, I always use these clips. I feel like they work so much better for my hair. I do have thick hair. When I use those long clips, my hair just tends to fall down. These are just amazing. So, and let's go ahead and get started with a blow dryer. Another tip that I wanted to give you guys is that when you're sectioning your hair, don't take a big chunk. Take enough, but not too much, because if you're gonna take too much, it's not gonna fully dry out your hair. So make sure you do little chunks. Guys, I'm done with the bottom section. Look how straight they look. They feel so good as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move up to the next section. Guys, I'm moving on to the last section of my hair. That's just the very top, and I'm gonna go and finish this off. And let's go ahead and get started. We're almost there, guys. guys, I am done blow drying my hair. This is how my hair look after the blow dry. They are straight but they're not sleek yet, so we're gonna move on to that step just in a little while. I did want to tell you that it took me about 20-25 minutes to do this right now. Usually it takes me 15 minutes max. When I started doing it, when I started blow drying my hair a while back, it used to take me over half hour, but with practice you get better, and I have gotten better. And yeah, so this is how my hair look. If you do this regularly, then it shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes, and this is it. So now we're gonna go ahead and straighten the hair so they become more sleek. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did last time. We are gonna start sectioning our hair. I'm using the same clip, and I'm using the same clip I was using last time, going up to 315 Fahrenheit. Oh no, sorry, it's 400 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start straightening my hair. This shouldn't take a long time because my hair is already straight. So let's do this. Last thing that I'm gonna use is the oil. So I always apply oil towards the end. It's a rose serum that you guys have seen in all of my hair videos. This is a really nice oil. It smells really good. It smells like rose, and it's just to give you extra shine and just give you more nourishment on your hair. Again, don't apply this on your roots. Make sure you're focusing on the very bottom and the middle. So guys, this is how my hair look as of now. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. This is how you achieve a very sleek hair look. And yeah, so this is something that I do every 4 days. I mean, I don't get to it every time, but whenever I take a shower, if I have the time, I'll blow dry my hair and I'll straighten hair to make them very straight and sleek. So I hope you guys like the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like the video. I do a lot of hair makeup related videos, and I also do a lot of fashion related stuff as well. And I'm very high on skincare as well, so make sure to check out all of my videos. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram as well, guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.